Hello, friends. Today, we're going to talk about one of the biggest topics in the financial world, Crypto Summit 2025. This year, the summit was held at the White House, bringing together U.S. President Donald Trump, Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse, and MicroStrategy founder Michael Saylor, along with other major industry leaders. But this was not just another meeting. Decisions were made that could change the future of the crypto market. Is the U.S. creating a Bitcoin reserve? Are regulations being eased? How will the markets react? Let's dive into all the details. Now let's quickly go over the key figures at the summit and the major topics discussed. One of the most talked about figures was Michael Saylor. As the founder of MicroStrategy, Saylor has long advocated for Bitcoin to be recognized as a reserve asset by governments. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse emphasized the need for clearer regulations so that XRP can play a bigger role in the financial world. Meanwhile, Brian Armstrong called for a well-defined regulatory framework that protects investors without stifling innovation. Of course, the most important figure at the summit was U.S. President Donald Trump. Surprisingly, Trump shifted his stance on crypto and announced that the U.S. might create government-backed Bitcoin reserves. So, what were the key announcements at the summit? Here are the biggest highlights. First, the U.S. is considering establishing a strategic Bitcoin reserve. This means the U.S. government could officially recognize Bitcoin as a reserve asset alongside the U.S. dollar. Such a move could significantly boost Bitcoin's position in the global economy and attract even more institutional investors. The second major development is potential changes to crypto regulations. Following demands from industry giants like Coinbase and Ripple, the U.S. government is considering easing restrictions on the crypto market. They aim to create laws that protect investors but also foster innovation. The third key topic discussed was GameFi and meme coin projects. These emerging trends in the crypto world were also a major point of discussion. Experts believe that blockchain-based gaming and community-driven coins could become a dominant force in the financial sector in the near future. However, some leaders warned about the speculative nature of meme coins. How will these developments impact the market? Here are some possible scenarios. 1. Bitcoin's price could skyrocket. If governments start accumulating Bitcoin as a reserve, large institutional investors may follow, pushing prices higher. 2. New regulations could help crypto companies grow faster. If the laws are clear and supportive, major tech firms may increase their investments in crypto. Third, GameFi and meme coins might attract more attention. If the regulatory environment supports these sectors, they could see massive growth, especially among younger investors. But is everything as positive as it seems? Of course, there are some risks. If the U.S. decides to impose stricter regulations, we could see a major sell-off in the markets. Decentralized finance, DeFi projects in particular, could face challenges if governments try to gain more control over the sector. Additionally, some investors worry that governments holding Bitcoin reserves could go against the fundamental principles of decentralization. Bitcoin was created to be independent of government control, so some might see this as a threat to its original vision. With all these developments, we can expect major market fluctuations in the coming months. There could be huge rallies, but also sudden corrections. That's why, before investing, make sure to analyze the markets, stay updated with the latest news, and develop a long-term strategy. What do you think? Will this summit have a positive or negative impact on the crypto market? Share your thoughts in the comments. In this video, I covered the most important highlights from Crypto Summit 2025. If you want more content like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Stay tuned for more updates on the crypto world, and don't forget to join the discussion in the comments. See you in the next video.